Okay. Say hi, everyone.
Hi everyone, today we're at Wildflower Restaurant and today is Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Say Happy Mother's Day to your mommy! So, we are going to do 3 questions about my mommy! So, if you want to print Mother's Day gifts, search www.harrascraftworld.com.
Okay.
So let's start!
First question is, what is mommy's favorite color?
Red!
Wow. Okay, next. Correct. What is mommy's favorite mall?
ATC!
Where is ATC?
In Alabang.
Next question. What is mommy's favorite food?
Seafood.
What? What kind of seafood?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Butter.
Or butter.
And
Butter. Garlic.
and garlic.
Shrimp.
And ginger butter garlic shrimp.
Okay. Okay. What's the next question? Okay. What is mommy's one thing that I cannot live without?
Coffee!
Oh, wow. It's correct.
How about my turn?
Your turn. It's Mother's Day.
You and me, okay?
Okay.
What is my favorite food?
How many answers? Just one?
It's just 4, like
Four.
you.
Okay. Sinigang. Corned beef.
Steak
Steak.
and
What else?
tilapia.
Tilapia. Okay. Yummy.
Yum yum.
Next.
What is my favorite cartoon?
Do you have a clue?
It's a police. It's an ambulance with a bow siren.
Okay, I think that is Robocar Police.
What is my favorite color? 3 colors.
I know the answer.
What?
Pink, purple,
Blue.
okay, pink, purple, and blue. Next.
Last question. What is the thing that I don't live without it?
I think that is your water bottle.
Correct!
Alright.
Without my water bottle, I'll say, Mom, I'm thirsty.
Okay, say bye-bye na to the vlog.
Bye bye, little crafting low.